Hi friends, this video shows how to use back tap feature. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select accessibility. Go down, select touch. Go down, select back tap. You can see right now back tap is off. Select back tap. Select double tap. Here we can see list of options under this system. Let me select one option from this list. Let me select flashlight. Done. So now I have enabled back tap. Let me test it. On back side I am going to double tap. See, now flashlight is on. Let me double tap again. See, now flashlight is off. Similarly, we can try other options in this list. Later, if you want to disable this back tap feature, you can select none here. Then you go back. See, now back tap is off. If you select one option from this list, let me select flashlight, then go back, then it shows back tap is on. So this way we can use this back tap feature. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it. Similarly, we have triple tap option. There also we can select. Okay, please check it.